Good morning friends. Now in today's class we are going to discuss some numerical examples on the topic commercial unit of electric energy. Now in last period we have seen the commercial unit of electric energy, electrical energy. What is that? kWh. kWh. That is called as the commercial unit of electrical energy. What is kWh? Kilowatt hour. Because we are utilizing electricity on large extent and therefore usual unit of energy is joule. But since we are using electricity on large amount, therefore we have to measure the electricity, that energy in some big unit, some special unit on commercial basis, and that is nothing but that is the commercial unit of electrical energy, and that is kWh. Now on that kWh here, that is the commercial unit here, we are going to discuss here the examples. Now the first example is that, example number 1. A radio set of 60 watts runs for 50 hours. How much electric energy is consumed? The device is that is the radio set. उसकी ये पावर दी है 60 वाट and it runs for 50 hours. मतलब हमको ड्यूरेशन दिया, टाइम दिया और पूछा है कि how much energy is consumed by that radio set. Okay, so as per the example here, after the quantity given that now we will list here. What is given the 60 watt? It is a power. I am writing P. P equal to 60 watt. But when we have to solve, we have to deal with kWh. अभी हम मैंने बताया आपको. It is kWh. That is kWh is the unit of power and H is the unit of time. That means whenever we have to find the energy in kWh, our power should be in kilowatt and time should be in hour. Then we can calculate the kWh. But here, as per the example, the power is given 60 watt. Therefore, first we have to convert it into kilowatt. How to convert? Divide it by hour. किलोवाट कन्वर्ट करने के लिए 1000 से डिवाइड करें, क्या हो जाएगा? ये हो जाएगा 6 divided by 100, that is equal to, I am writing 0.06 kW. अब ये वैल्यू दे रहा है kW. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट, टाइम इज गिवन. हाउ मच? इट रन्स फॉर 50 hours. 50 hours. Now time is given as a 50 hours and while calculating kWh we require time in hour. Therefore there is no necessity of conversion. Therefore let it be like that. Now we have to write the formula. What is the formula for electric energy? Energy E equal to P into T. E equal to P into T, and therefore now we have to write E equal to P. Which P we have to utilize? This 0.06 into T, it is 50. क्या हो जाएगा? here ये हो गया 30, 300 और 2 के बाद, that means it becomes now 3 kWh. Therefore the total energy utilized by that radio set, if it works runs for 50 hours, then the energy consumed is 3 kilowatt hour. Now what is the meaning of 1 kilowatt? 1 kilowatt का अर्थ होता है 1 units, and therefore now here the answer will be the energy consumed by radio set. By radio set. E. How much? I am writing 3 kWh, or it can be written as 3 units. जो हमारे मीटर में हमारे घर पे हमेशा यूनिट्स बोलते हैं ना, सेम थिंग therefore the answer is 3 kWh or 3 units. So there, this is a very simple example. Therefore here we have utilized this formula. Energy equal to power into T. क्या क्या ली है यहाँ पे? पावर हमने किलोवाट में ली है, यदि है तो ठीक है, यदि नहीं है तो उसको कन्वर्ट करो। टाइम यदि आवर में नहीं होता तो कन्वर्ट करना पड़ता है, therefore क्योंकि we have to deal with kWh which is the commercial unit of electricity. Okay, so this is very simple example. This is the first example. Now we will see the second example. An electric heater draws a current of 10 ampere. An electric heater draws a current of 10 ampere from a 220 volt supply. From a 220 volt supply. What is the cost of using the heater 5 hours every day for 30 days? If the cost of 1 unit, that is the 1 kWh, is rupees 520, is rupees 520, is Rs 520, 5 रुपए 20 पैसे. Now this is the example. ठीक है, what is the device? Device is electric heater. Electric heater draws a current. अब यहाँ पे हमको डायरेक्ट पावर नहीं दी है. It draws a current. मतलब according to example now, first we prepare the data of example. What are the given quantities? What is this 10 ampere? 10 ampere is the current. Symbol capital R. 10 ampere. ठीक है, ऐसा में है. 220 volt supply. What is this 220 volt? It is potential difference. Oscillator switch करके इसको V. How much? It is 220 volt. बराबर. Again, what is given? Time हमको दिया है T equal to 5 hours. And cost of 1 unit दिया है, that is 5.20 rupees. Okay. Now, जैसा कि हमने पहले डिस्कस किया, we have to calculate the energy consumed. That means we have to utilize the formula P equal to P into T. That means first we have to calculate the power. सबसे पहले हमको पावर कैलकुलेट करनी है, और इसलिए वन बाय वन सॉल्व करेंगे. नंबर 1, to calculate power. First we have to calculate power. Which formula we have to use? Power according to situation. Power is equal to V into I. Okay, we have three formulae. P is equal to I square R, P is equal to V square upon R, and P is equal to VI. Now, according to situation, the value of current and potential difference is given. Then the power is equal to this. Put the value. What is V? V is 220 into I is 10. Now, it becomes 2000. What is this? This is watt. ये वोल्ट में, ये एम्पियर में, therefore ये भी यस है. अभी तुरंत हम इसको किलोवाट में बदलेंगे, क्योंकि we require power in kilowatt. क्या करना पड़ेगा किलोवाट करने के लिए? 1000 से इसको डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा. Yeah. Now it becomes kilowatt. 1000 से डिवाइड करो, क्या होगा? 22 divided by 10, मतलब 2.2 kW. Therefore हमको पावर मिल जाएगी. अब हमारे पास T ऑलरेडी है. Therefore can we calculate now energy? Yes. अभी हम निकालेंगे नंबर 2. Energy consumed in 1 day. क्योंकि एग्जाम्पल में देखो, what is the cost of using the heater 5 hours every day for 30 days? हर डे 5 आवर्स उसको यूज किया जा रहा है, ऐसा पूरे मंथ चला. इसलिए पहले हमको एक डे में कितनी एनर्जी कंज्यूम होती है वो निकालनी पड़ेगी. उसके बाद में 30 दिन का सोचना पड़ेगा. तो क्या हो जाएगा? E equal to P into T. रखो, यहाँ रखा हुआ है. पावर कितना लेंगे हम? 2.2. It is 2.2 into T. और में लेना पड़ेगा how much? 5. सॉल्व करो, कितना है? 5 गुना 10 है कि नहीं? Now this is 11 what? kWh. That is the units. Now this is the energy consumed in 1 day. Then we have to calculate the energy consumed in 30 days. Therefore, third step will be energy consumed in 30 days. क्या करना पड़ेगा? this much kWh. अभी एक यूनिट की कॉस्ट दी हमको 520, हमको टोटल कॉस्ट मिलता है कि नहीं? Therefore फोर्स दे देंगे कॉस्ट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी इक्वल टोटल कितने यूनिट मिले हमारे 330 और एक यूनिट की कीमत कितनी हो रही है 5.20 इसका तो मल्टीप्लिकेशन करेंगे इधर हम लोग व्हाट इज दैट 330 into 520 ठीक है ये तो हम निकाल देंगे 1716 and finally now it becomes 1716 this much rupees. Yes. And therefore now the answer is 1716 rupees. Therefore this will be the cost of electricity using if the radios are that heater, if the heater is utilized daily 5 hours daily for 30 days and as per this rate here the total cost will be 1716 rupees. So this type of examples are there. We have to solve the many examples based on the commercial unit of electric energy. Okay, so try to solve more and more example just to practice and prepare for the examination. Okay, thank you.